Hi everyone, welcome to a sunny North Wales. This is our latest offering. This is a 2021, registered August 21, Mercedes 516cdi 19-seat Minicoach. It's an Ilesbus Harmony. It's got the panoramic windows. It's got Mercedes silver paint, very good tyres. It's fully air conditioned, which has been fully serviced, and the heating has been checked out and that all works. It's got the barn doors at the rear. It hasn't got a boot, but you can remove the rear seats and make it a 15-seater with large luggage space. As I said, absolutely mint. And then walking further down, we've got the very nice Ilesbus style power door on the Harmony. Some nice blue LED lights, courier seat, some nice mood lighting inside, 3-point belts, and this diamond stitched seats, which are very tidy. It's only done 153,500 kilometers from new, and it was previously owned by Selwyn's of Runcorn, a good friend of ours, and it's been very well looked after. The only thing it's actually done is carry aircrew, mainly from Manchester Airport, and it's come into us in part exchange. So just to recap, 2021 Mercedes 516cdi Ilesbus Harmony 19-seat Minicoach. Thank you.